Using the strength found within Planner will help you stay more organized, be able to find the information that you need, and be able to get to work quicker. Now, this one happens to be a completed task, but I'm just going to walk you through kind of some of these main areas that you may want to start to leverage and make your life a lot easier. First of all, the notes section here. Add in lots of information, any information that you need there. And especially when you're working on a team, this becomes a very collaborative environment. Here, we can create checklist items, things that we need to do that aren't necessarily tasks, but they're associated with this task, right? More of a checklist item. Then here we can add other tasks. So this one happens to be a dependent task. And notice here that we have comments. So this was created dependent task for Kevin to review the information and add where needed. This is a self note that was created. The task was created here at 8:30 a.m. and then at 13:52, I added that note to it. This is a note to myself, not necessarily that anybody else needs it or has any value at all in it. It's just a note to myself to remind me of something that I've done so that I can quickly, when I come to this task, I can quickly get to work. Now, how do you do all this? Well, you can cut and paste information in here very easy. It takes no time at all. That's pretty simple. You can create these subtasks. Again, really simple. You can do that. Remember, these are more checklist items. If they're going to be delegated to somebody else or if they're going to be more detailed, you probably want to create another task and associate it with the unique identifier number here, which is this number here. So see how you have an N, so you might put NA, for example. How do I add an attachment? Well, adding an attachment is actually pretty simple. Let's just do it from a file perspective. So remember, I click on attachment, add attachment, and then file, and then this box opens up for me. And here I can add any file that I want. Let's just add this airplanes. I'm just going to click OK. And it's going to go ahead and add that in, and it's going to place it inside of my directory associated with this plan. So we can go ahead and take a look at that in a minute. And here we have some airplanes, and we can show that on the card if we want. And so that is kind of the way that works. It's pretty simple. We just need to add our information. And then when we make updates, we just want to add the updates in here, added planes. So it doesn't matter. Just hit send. It's just a self note so you know exactly what's going on. So let's take a look and see where that file, the planes file, actually went. We're going to do that by closing the task. And then we're going to click on these three dots. Notice here's the planes, right? We put it as a preview, and we're going to go to Files. And let me adjust it so you can see it. And then right there, airplanes.jpg. And when we open it up, sure enough, it is the airplanes that we have there. So automatically, when you add that file into Planner, it's going to automatically dump that into that shared directory that the rest of the team is working from as well. So now you can find that file if you want to search in that library, for example, and it'll appear in multiple places within M365. So that's when we're talking about using Microsoft 365 to truly drive results, truly add the information and consistently be able to go back to the information. This is one way to do it.